Okay, so we're gonna do a linearization problem. It's number 2. You can read the directions, but I think this one would be easier if there was a visual. Not that you need it, but a visual will help you plan things out. So let's take a look. This is the curve f of x. What they're saying is that there's a 0 between the interval of 0 and -2. And here it is. That's the x-intercept. Where they're asking you to get find a tangent line that goes through x equals -2. Here, that will help us to approximate the x-intercept up there. But we're going to need to draw a tangent line. This could be a very ugly one, but that's the idea. Okay, so this tangent line most likely will not hit the actual x-intercept, but we're just using it to approximate what the 0 will be. Okay, so the general steps for this problem is to, 1, find the equation of the tangent line f of x through x to the -2. Which means there's going to be some substeps for that. You need to find f prime of -2, and part B is to plug into point slope form, find that equation. The step 2 is going to use that tangent line to approximate, basically to find f of -2, okay, using tangent line. Okay. Wait, I'm sorry, not f of -2. Find the x-intercept. X, comma, 0. Okay. So that's the idea. Let's do that now. To find the tangent line, we first need to take the derivative at x equals -2. Just do it squared minus 6x minus 4. Now we'll plug in, hold on a second. Now we'll plug in -2. We'll do this kind of fast. 12 plus 12 minus 4. So basically what we have here is slope through x equals -2 is 20, okay? And we're also gonna need the point. We're also going to need to find f of -2. So we have the point that the tangent line will pass through. Okay, so that's going to be 2 cubed minus 3, 4 minus 4 times -2 plus 1. That's going to be -11. Yes. Okay. So now that we have the two things, we can now plug it into point slope form. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to solve for y to get the equation of the tangent line. Subtract 11 over. Okay, we're going to use a tangent line. So step 2 now. Okay, you're going to use a tangent line to approximate the x-intercept. So remember, what makes an x-intercept special is that the y value is always equal to 0 because it always crosses the x-axis. Okay, so you're just let y equals 0 and to solve for x. That's just difficult here. So then x equals -29 over 20, and use a calculator. It's going to be -1.45. If you want to check on Desmos, okay, this is my tangent line. tangent line will cross through the x-axis at negative 1.450, which is what we got. Okay. And there it is.